Hey, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this. All right, this video we're going to go through how to make a YouTube channel step by step, so make sure you sit down, buckle up, and let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, what you're going to need to do is create a Google account. If you don't already have one, then this is going to be a very important step for you to have. If you're going to create a new one and you forgot how to do it, maybe you should pay attention to this too. First thing you're going to need to do, if I could spell, you're going to see, you're going to need to go to google.com. Alright, once you're there, go to sign in. Once you're going to do that, you're going to choose another account. That way you can actually go and create another account. If you use the other two, then you're not going to be able to, because you're just going to sign into whatever you already have. Alright, once you're there, you're going to go to create an account for myself, unless you're going to be using it for a business. You're going to go and put whatever name you choose in there. Hopefully it's your name. For this example, I'll just use Billy Joel because I'm bored. And then I'll put in a generic email address that says relevant to what I'm doing as possible. This one's probably not going to get accepted, so we'll probably have to change it. Then you'll put in a good password. Make sure, it's a good password. And yeah, this one didn't get accepted. So I'm just going to put like test run for science or something like that, just so you guys can see how to set everything up. Obviously, I'm probably not going to use this one, except maybe like later for like some type of experiment or something for a video, but that should go through. All right, cool. So then you'll put in a phone number that you'll need for your verification purposes. It's always better to have a two-step process for that. Then you'll put in your random birthday and your gender, whichever gender that is, I don't know. And then from there, you're going to move forward. You're just going to be the recovery address always. That's important. If you have a backup email, definitely always important to have that. Privacy and terms, make sure you read all of that, okay, before you click accept, like we all do, okay? Just the stuff, all the stuff, telling you that they're gonna get all your data, and they're gonna sell it, and just how that goes. Click I agree, and then we kind of wait. Alright, once that's done, we have a brand new Google account, okay? Now we're good to go on that. So then we're going to go over to YouTube. Then once we're back to YouTube, this is where the magic's going to happen. Alright, you're going to go up there to sign in. Alright, it's going to be in the top right corner. If you already have an account, then you might already be signed in. You might not be. If you don't have an account, then you're definitely not signed in, and that's what you're going to need to go to. It's automatically going to sign you into the Google account that you were signed into, okay? You're going to go ahead and click that little icon in the far right corner, and you're going to click on your channel whenever you scroll through everything and you get comfortable with the way that your screen looks, okay? You have all types of everything around here. You have trending, subscriptions. You have all types of videos that YouTube wants you to look at. And all of this will personalize more as you use it more, and as you start searching things, they'll start feeding you more relevant things to what you're doing. But like I said, you can go over here to your channel, all right, and it's going to have you set it up right here. Boom, your name is going to be, whatever you want it to be. But for this one, if I was going to be, Billy Joel, then that's what I was going to make it, as specific as possible. That way people can find it. All right, go to create channel. Once that comes up, then you're good to go. All right, there's spots on here where you can customize your channel. That will be like your profile photo and your cover art and your playlist selections and everything like that. There's a vidIQ spot up there, which I'll cover in a little bit on how that goes. And then there's just a bunch of other things that you can do from here that I'm sure you will love to figure out once you get in there and get everything set up. So make sure you get that done. Make sure you follow along, and stick around, because I'm going to show you how to use vidIQ here in a minute, and it's pretty freaking awesome. Oh my God, Ronnie! You can edit everything as far as the additional features, and you can create a new channel from right here. You can do your profile picture, your channel art, a few things like that. All right, the additional features is where we're going to be able to enable a lot of these things like monetization, live streaming. I want to definitely make sure that you come over here to longer videos and enable that, because if not, if you try to upload anything I think more than 15 minutes long, it's going to take a really long time to do that. Okay, some other important things, custom thumbnails, you want to make sure that you enable those, because those are going to be a big part of your thing. Make sure you click on longer videos, like I said. Okay, longer videos, put in your country, and then you should be good to go. Like I said, if you don't do that, it's going to be a tough time trying to get your videos to upload. It might take 2 or 3 hours to upload like a 16-minute video, and that's just crazy. Okay, so go ahead and, you know, put a phone number in there, verify your account. It's very important that you do that. Enter the verification code once you get there, and everything's going to two-step process nowadays, which is very good for you. As long as you do have that cell phone on you, because if not, it's not going to be a good time. So enter that verification code. As soon as I get done here, we're going to move forward on that. All right, so it's going to say that you've verified, you're good to go. You're going to come back over, okay, and it's going to show you your account's in good standing, and it's going to show you that your account's verified. And then you can go back through and do everything else. You can enable monetization, so you can make money off your ads or make money off your videos when they put ads on your videos once you meet the requirements. 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, so on and so forth. Live streaming, longer videos, like I said. And then a few other ones that are down there that aren't quite as important, but they could get you somewhere in the future. And then once we're back to the home screen, you go up to the top right, there's a little camera there, okay, and you're going to make sure you click that, that way you can upload your video. You're going to make sure that you have your video downloaded onto your computer, or your device that it is downloaded on is hardwired to your computer, that way you can upload your video, okay? Make sure you go to upload and then you click there, okay? You can either upload it straight from your computer or from your device. It is easier to do it from your computer. It takes less time in my experience, okay? But it can be done from there. So once you come here, you're gonna make sure that it goes to public, whichever one you prefer, really, but I like to do it public. That way it just goes automatically and I don't have to worry about anything. But if you have to do editing later on, as far as like your tags and stuff goes, then you might want to do it private and then switch it over later on once you have everything optimized. And here's a quick video on how to optimize your videos with an awesome tool called vidIQ. It makes sure that your video gets ranked where it should be and how it should be when it gets published. First things first, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and go to good old Google and type in www.vidiq.com. All right, once you do that, you wait, hopefully not as long as I'm about to wait for this to load. And then, yeah, and so I'm gonna tell you guys a quick story. So one time at band camp, I bought a computer, and it was a really good computer, and then I hooked it up to my really bad Wi-Fi because I live in the middle of nowhere. So then, yeah, you get things like this. Yep, so there's that. Now, back to the real story. Confirm password, all that stuff. At the top, you can see where they have the pricing, testimonials, and things like that, and where you can download it as well. There is a free version that I use, so you do not have to get the full version if you don't want to. However, it does help a lot. All right. So what this does is whenever you go and type in any video that shows up on YouTube, vidIQ will show up on the right of that video and give you all of the information about it. So as soon as this loads, you should see it pop up here. Nope, there it is on the right. So what this is doing is it's going to show you your search volume, which is how many people actually search for this, and it's going to show you competition score, meaning how many people actually put out content based around that keyword search. And once you move down from that keyword search, you can see other related searches, cat videos, funny, cat. These are all just different ideas of what people search for and what the top ones are. And then below that, you see the keywords as well, and the ranks are beside them. So those are ones that you would use if you were going to create a video like this and try to get it ranked up there with the ones that are already there. you can see that beneath each video that actually has tags, it'll give you all of the tags, which comes in handy for tagging your videos, which I will go over in a video. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe so when I upload it, you'll be able to see it as soon as I do. I am going to go over exactly how to optimize your video like 100% using vidIQ in another video. I'm not going to go too much more in depth with this. I just wanted to give you a quick idea. That way you can see what was coming up in the future with that vidIQ video. And that's going to be all about optimization and how to get your videos where they need to be so they can get seen, all right? So that's going to be about it for this one. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments down below. Thank you so much.